Yes guys, it's Jando. I'm going to show you one of the most basic and essential sounds in drum and bass and jungle, the Renegade bass. This is what it sounds like. So yeah, we're going to get straight into it. I've got an empty patch here. This is all just in Serum as well, so any post-processing or anything like that is all completely personal preference. Yeah, you do you basically. So we're going to start off with a blank patch. So we're going to start off with Oscillator A. We're going to go to digital and down to harmonic subtle. We're going to put the level over to 90. We're going to do the same on Oscillator B. We're just going to pull this back a little bit, just about 85 is fine. We're going to change the wavetable position to about 195 on both of them. We're going to stick the sub on, direct out, -3 octaves, and put the level all the way up. We're going to turn the filter on, go to MG low 24, and put it on A and B. We're going to put the cutoff at about 800. I'll do, put it on 793, and we're going to stick mono on. Then go over to the effects. We're going to do distortion, soft clip. We're going to put the drive and the mix all the way up. Then we're going to go to filter, which we're going to put underneath the distortion. And we're going to go find high 24. We're going to put the cutoff at 57. Yeah, 57. Everything else flat. Next is the compressor. Everything's going to stay the same on the compressor. And then we're going to open up hyper dimension and bring that underneath the compressor there. We're going to bring the mix all the way down on this side, and then on this side we're going to push the mix to about 32%, and then bring the size all the way down, and then we are left with this. Then we're going to go back over to the oscillator tab, quickly stick on sync on both sides. We're going to come down 3 octaves on both sides, and then to get the movement out of the bass, like natural movement, we're going to go -30 and then +30. So you can change these up as well if you want to get it going faster or slower, but it seems that 30 seems to be a sweet spot. Yeah, that one's quite nice as well. But yeah, that's the most basic but essential sounds in jungle drum and bass. Yeah, nice one.